Meet the Markswebb UX Problems Guide, a data-backed tool to diagnose and prioritize interface issues across 7 industries: fintech, foodtech, e-commerce, transportation, education, rentals, and government platforms. Built on audits of 80+ interfaces and hundreds of scenarios, the guide is a practical way to spot friction and solve it, backed by 24 hours of screencasts and a detailed typology of UX issues. The truth is, most audits don't fail for lack of effort. They fail because teams diagnose symptoms, not root causes. And here how the guide helps fix that. First, study their classification, a cause-based taxonomy that frames UX issues through the lens of the user's tasks and impact, not suffix-level UI defects. Findings are mapped into a structured typology of 12 classes and 42 subclasses with clear definitions, common misdiagnoses like what is it not, and evidence-backed examples. This turns subjective debates into defensible, comparable data. Second, use the dataset. Each subclass is brought to life with real UX problems cases. Screenshots, screencasts, user scenario, problem description, and the relevant best practice. So, use the issues in context. Third, explore the statistical review that summarizes cross-industry patterns. 363 issues from 89 apps and websites to benchmark performance, find quick wins, and prioritize roadmaps based on data, not opinions. Fourth, run a UX audit with Markswebb industry-specific checklists for travel, financial services, e-commerce, education, and content-driven services. With the UX Problems Guide, product teams aligned on unified typology, trace issues to clear causes, apply validated solutions, set transparent priorities, and ship improvements faster. Explore the full playlists and use it to run better UX audits on your product. Each video breaks down one subclass of UX problems: what is it, where it comes from, how it affects users, and real cases that show the fix. Subscribe to our channel and level up your UX with us at Markswebb. You can also follow us on LinkedIn or subscribe to our weekly newsletter to get UX and product insights as soon as it's published.